Welcome to Technia TV. I, Manisha Kataria, Faculty of MBA Department, Technia Institute of Advanced Studies. Today I am here to deliver my lecture on the topic Classification of Entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs are classified into different types based on different classification as mentioned below. First classification is on the basis of type of business. Number 1, trading entrepreneur. As the name itself suggests, the trading entrepreneur undertake the trading activities. They procure the finished products from the manufacturer and sell these to the customers directly or through a retailer. These serve as the middleman as wholesalers, retailers between the manufacturers and customers. The second is manufacturing entrepreneur. The manufacturing entrepreneurs produce products. They identify the needs of the customers and then explore the resources and technologies to be used to manufacture the products to satisfy the customer's needs. In other words, the manufacturing entrepreneurs converts raw material into finished products. The third type is agricultural entrepreneur. The entrepreneurs who undertake agricultural pursuits are called agriculture entrepreneurs. They cover a wide spectrum of agricultural activities like cultivation, marketing of agricultural produce, irrigation, mechanization and technology. Next classification is on the use of technology. Number 1, technical entrepreneur. The entrepreneurs who establish and run science and technology based industries are called technical entrepreneurs. Speaking alternatively, there are the entrepreneurs who make use of science and technology in their enterprises. Expectedly, they use new and innovative methods of production in their enterprises. The next is non-technical entrepreneur. Based on the use of technology, the entrepreneurs who are not technical entrepreneurs are non-technical. The forte of their enterprises is not science and technology. They are concerned with the use of alternative and imitative method of marketing and distribution of strategies to make their business survive and thrive in the competitive market. Next classification is on the basis of ownership. Number 1, private entrepreneur. A private entrepreneur is one who is an individual sets up a business enterprise. He or she, the whole owner of the enterprise and bears the entire risk involved in it. Second is state entrepreneur. When the trading or industrial venture is undertaken by the state or the government, it is called state entrepreneur. The next one is joint entrepreneur. When a private entrepreneur and the government jointly run a business enterprise, it is called joint entrepreneurs. The next classification is the basis of gender. Number 1, men entrepreneurs. When business enterprises are owned, managed and controlled by men, these are called men entrepreneurs. The second one is women entrepreneurs. Women entrepreneurs are defined as enterprises owned and controlled by a woman or women having a minimum financial interest of 51% of the capital and giving at least 51% of the employment generated in the enterprises to women. Next classification is on the basis of size of enterprise. Number 1, small scale entrepreneur. An entrepreneur who has made investment in plant and machinery up to rupees 1 crore is called small scale entrepreneurs. The next one is medium scale entrepreneur. The entrepreneur who has made investment in plant and machinery above rupees 1 crore but below rupee 5 crore is called medium scale entrepreneur. Third one is large scale entrepreneur. The entrepreneur who has made investment in plant and machinery more than rupees 5 crore is called large scale entrepreneur. Next classification is suggested by Dr. Clarence Denhoff, researcher. Clarence Denhoff, on the basis of his study of the American agriculture, classified entrepreneurs in the manner that at the initial stage of economic development, entrepreneurs has less initiative and drive, and as economic development proceeds, they become more innovating and enthusiastic. Based on this, he classified entrepreneurs into 4 types. These are discussed as follows. Number 1, innovating entrepreneurs. Innovating entrepreneurs are one who introduce new goods, inaugurate new methods of production, discover new market and recognize the enterprise. It is important to note that such entrepreneurs can work only when certain level of development is already achieved and people look forward to change and improvement. Next type is imitative entrepreneurs. These are characterized by readiness to adopt successful innovations inaugurated by innovating entrepreneurs. Imitative entrepreneurs do not innovate the changes themselves. They only imitate techniques and technology innovated by others. Such type of entrepreneurs are particularly suitable for the underdeveloped regions for bringing a mushroom drive of imitation of new combination of factors of production already available in developed regions. Next classification is Fabian entrepreneurs. Fabian entrepreneurs are characterized by very great caution and skepticism in experimenting any change in their enterprises. They imitate only when it becomes perfectly clear that failure to do so would result in a loss of the relative position in the enterprise. The last but not the least type of entrepreneur is drone entrepreneurs. These are characterized by a refusal to adopt opportunities to make changes in production formula even at the cost of severely reduced returns relative to other like producers. Such entrepreneurs may even suffer from losses, but they are not ready to make any changes in their existing production methods. So here I am ending my topic, that is classification of entrepreneurship. I hope you guys got the very basic clearance about this topic. For watching more videos like these, please subscribe Technia TV.